In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the pointer size of your mouse when you want to have a better visibility. Right now, this is a small pointer size. If you see here, I cannot recognize where my mouse is moving most of the time. This is a 4 monitor setup, so I want to get this mouse pointer more visible and a little bigger. To do that, go to the search and type in mouse and go to the mouse settings and go here to the adjust mouse and cursor size and just increase the size. So it is scaled in the point size. The maximum is 15, minimum is 1. So I'm going to set that to 5. Also, I'm going to change the color to this one so I can see the mouse very sharply. I'm going to close this one. Now you see my mouse pointer is in a kind of greenish yellow color and it is very visible. Now I can move my mouse pointer very clearly and I can see my mouse pointer very clearly. If you like this short video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this kind of video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.